Alright, y'all. I had made a bunch of clips for today's vlog, and I've decided to totally trash those clips and do this rant video instead. It's been a while since I've done a rant video, so I figured it's about time. So with that said, as with most of my rant videos, there might be some offensive language, there may be some emotion, and if that offends you, you might want to just skip to the next vlog style video. Today I want to talk about a couple different things. I've been getting a bunch of questions, a bunch of inquiries lately about what's the minimum I have to do to see the results that I want to see. Let me just address that from all factors of life, okay? Because they all carry over and they're symbiotic in nature. With regard to the deeper state keto protocol, you know, I've got people asking me how little do I have to train, or you know, how many macros can I eat and cheat the system? Or they're better yet, kind of mix and matching the macros a little bit to kind of hedge in their favor to make things easier for them. I don't know if you realize this or not, but you're not doing yourself any favors. You know, like you're not benefiting your goal. I mean, I'm assuming you got the Deeper State Keto Protocol course to reach a goal, a better composition, you know, getting leaner, getting healthier. If you're selling yourself short and making things easier for you, then why'd you get the course? You know, why would you do that? You're shortchanging your own potential, and that carries over into life, y'all. Like everything is a metaphor for life. Training. I just got done training legs. Okay, you think I train legs to build big legs? No, that's not it at all. Why am I a bodybuilder in the first place? I'm a bodybuilder to beat the little bitch out of me on a day-to-day basis. You know, when you go into the gym and you push yourself to the nth degree every single time, that carries over into every aspect of your life. I can do that now with business, with everything, with relationships, with everything, with struggles, with everything. If I went through my day-to-day asking myself, what's the absolute minimum I can do and see success, then you shouldn't have got the Deeper State Keto course in the first place. You probably shouldn't be doing healthy nutrition. You probably shouldn't be trying to be the best you can be in your career. I mean, heck, you're probably not cut out for life, you know, because life is a constant, you know, test. Every single day you wake up, you're faced with a decision of, do I go to the next level? Do I push myself mentally, physically, emotionally that much harder? Or do I just do the minimum? If you do the minimum on a day-to-day basis, you're never going to reach your potential. And you only live life once, so why would you want to do that? Why would you want to never reach your potential? Me, I'm curious to see what I'm capable of. I'm curious to see how far I can take it and see results. I wish everybody was like that. You know, if we all lived in a world like that, we would be uncapped. I mean, we could literally be limitless as a society. But instead, we're faced with the majority of people asking how little they can do and get away with it. I encourage you to not do that, all right? Imagine this. Imagine you had a genie. You could rub his lamp and ask him 2 wishes, or he'll give you an option of one of 2 wishes. One wish is to have everything you've ever desired handed to you on a silver platter. Everything right there. Take it, you know, all the wealth, the physique, the health, the nutrition, you know, everything that you ever desired. Or you have the ability to die every single day and wake up, be reincarnated if you wish, to do it over again. I would choose the latter. I wish I could die every single day and wake up and do it over again. I wish I could push myself so hard and die every single day. There is no more satisfying feeling to me as a bodybuilder than to be able to do that last rep on a freaking heavy squat, greater and heavier than I thought I could, and make it through, you know? Like when I'm going halfway down that rep and I'm thinking to myself, shit, I'm about to die. I'm about to literally die. But then guess what? I don't die. I don't die. Instead, I make it up. And then I come back stronger the next time I come in there to train legs. That is a metaphor for life. You know, life is short in the sense that you're only here for the time you've got, you know? Make the most of it. Make the freaking most of it. I feel like I'm being repetitive because I say these same concepts all the time, you know? Like, live life to the fullest, push yourself to the limit. You know, you hear there's a million quotes on here. Why do I have to repeat it? Why do you have to repeat it? You know, people. It's funny that we have to keep reminding ourselves. But that's good, I guess. You know, surround yourself with people like mind that want to push themselves and want to push you. I'm literally just rambling right now, but shit, y'all. Push yourself to the freaking limit. All right, go down, go heavy. Don't cheat yourself. Don't cheat your macros. Don't bitch out on your training. Don't bitch out on your macros, your nutrition. Be the best you can be. Ask for shit. You know, don't ask for an easy life. Pray for a hard one. That's literally all I gotta say, you know? That's it. So, sorry for the random vlog today. This is more of a rant than a vlog. Alright, y'all. I'm out of here. Maybe we get a shower, get something to eat. Tomorrow, waking up early and driving to Florida for that wedding. And coming back on Sunday. So, in the meantime, train hard. Push yourself to the limit and see success. I can guarantee you that if you push yourself every single day harder than you ever have before, you'll see success. I mean, like, there's all these like no guarantee policies. I freaking guarantee you that. I can guarantee you that. I put my life on it. You know, if you push yourself harder than you ever have on a day-to-day basis, you will see success. Period. There's no participation award, you know? You don't have to be a pro bodybuilder. I mean, these principles aren't just for me. They're not just for the other people that compete. They're for everybody that's freaking breathing right now. You know, I don't care what your goal is. I don't care what your passion is. I don't care what your thing is. But be the best at it. Push yourself. And that manifests itself into everything. You know what I define bodybuilding as? Bodybuilding is the physical manifestation of my freaking mind. Alright? Whatever your craft is, the same can be said of, you know? So manifest your ability into something you can be proud of. Something you could take your last breath on this earth with and look back on and smile because you wouldn't have done a thing differently. Something you wouldn't have to be faced with regret for because you know you gave it your all. Smile in the face of adversity. Accept the shit that life throws at you with a freaking grin on your face because you know it's making you better. Alright, peace out.